As the assembly session begins there, a political face-off as well. The BJP protesting from the legislature house. The BJP said they'll settle for nothing short of a CBI probe into the alleged Muda scam. This comes a day after the Congress government announced a judicial probe into the matter. Opposition has also moved a plea for discussion on the Valmiki corruption issue, and all this while the Congress terms it a political drama as well, and question hour has been scheduled for the second half. Let's go across to Pratibha again for more. And Pratibha, tell us what's happening now. The BJP there targeting the Congress government over several scams, especially the Muda scam.
Well, with respect to both the scams, the Valmiki as well as Muda, both of them have definitely laid the pitch for the opposition to begin its onslaught as far as the Karnataka Assembly session is concerned. And they started off with protests. They led the protest, a walk from the legislature house to Vidhan Sauda, which is about 1 kilometer, and they held placards. They even tried to stop the CM's convoy there. All of them having two demands. One is they are not happy with the judicial inquiry that has been set up by the Congress government here, and that the case needs to be handed over to the CBI. And the second is for the resignation of the Chief Minister there. And Mr. Vijayendra, when I did speak to him, the Karnataka BJP chief did insist on the fact that they would lead the assembly session in such a manner that both these scams would expose the Chief Minister and that this would force him to resign. We'll have to wait to see the political fireworks that could be witnessed on the floor of the House today at Vidhan Sauda. But in the meantime, it all started off with a condolence meet during the first half, and then there was a lunch session, and now all eyes are on the second half, where the BJP has claimed that they have set a motion to discuss the Valmiki issue. All eyes are on the speaker, whether he would be admitting that or not. But however, there will be a question hour round that would take place during the second half, and this should definitely set the stage for the discussion to happen between the BJP as well as the Congress as far as the allegations are concerned. Back to you.
All right, Pratibha, thanks so much for that. And let's just take a look at this. Pratibha did catch up with Vijayendra Yediyurappa, the BJP president of Karnataka, as he was on that protest walk. Let's listen into what he said.
We have with us Karnataka BJP chief, Mr. Vijayendra. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. Sir, with respect to the judicial inquiry that has been set up by the Karnataka government on the Muda scandal.
See, Bharatiya Janata Party has been demanding CBI probe in the alleged Muda scam. So nothing less than CBI inquiry. Even today, because yesterday government has constituted an inquiry committee by a retired High Court judge, but will not accept this. We will demand for CBI inquiry.
So the Karnataka Assembly session begins today. So what is mainly on your agenda, both Valmiki as well as Muda?
See, number of corruption scandals has come to limelight. So Bharatiya Janata Party has taken up this issue from last 20-25 days. We will continue to do that today. We will raise this issue on the floor of the House.
So also with respect to the Kaveri issue, how do you see this? Are you in line with the Karnataka government's decision of appealing before the CWMA?
See, Karnataka government has to appeal, but they have to appeal effectively by keeping the good advocates. And secondly, during the last season also, the state government has failed in protecting the interest of our farmers in Mysore region. But yesterday, we have demanded Chief Minister not to, we have demanded Chief Minister to take up this issue seriously and protect the interests of the farmers in Kaveri Basin.
My final question, sir. Will you not relent until Chief Minister resigns?
That question will not arise at all. Chief Minister is bound to hand over the investigation of Muda scam to CBI and will be forced to resign. He will be forced to resign.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was Mr. Vijayendra claiming that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will be forced to resign, especially with the kind of protests that have been staged by the BJP here. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman in Bengaluru for NDTV.
We have called session. They have every opportunity to discuss on the floor of the House. Instead of that, if they are making a walk from LH to Vidhan Sauda or this type of protesting thing, that will not really honor the forums that are created. Assembly and council is on. They can take the opportunity to discuss on the floor of the House.
We have formed a single bench for the Muda issue as well. So whatever concerns the BJP has, let them raise it in the assembly with documents. If you are going to cry horse in public, what is it? They are demanding for the CM resignation. Sorry? They are demanding for let them demand CM resignation. Let them put the documents on the floor of the House and discuss it. Who's saying no? Who's saying no? We are not ready to discuss it.